Daily common phrases in Arabic.
تعال. Come. روح. Go. اسمع كلامي. Listen to me. أيش هذا? What is this? امشي معي. Come with me. إيتي بالماء. Give me a water. من أين جئت? Where are you from? أين دارك? Where is your home? افتح الباب. Open the door. ما في يدك. What is in your hand? لم تبكي? Why are you crying? أنا جائع. I am hungry. كيف حالك? How are you? اليوم خير من الأمس. Today is better than yesterday. Thank you for watching.